Saturday afternoon, and the boogeyman was coming. I can't see. What's up, print fam? Happy Saturday. This morning, I'm working on some cut vinyl. So it's just white, so it's pretty simple. The downside is they're so small that the letters are not sticking to the liner. So I'm doing what is called reverse weeding. So let me show you what that is. So you can see why I've got the flashlight out. So this is my transfer tape. So I typically use the brand R tape just because that's what's carried locally. And so what I did was I cut out the design, as you can see here. And this is my carrier sheet. And when you weed it from the carrier sheet, these letters are so small that they were coming off. So what I did was I applied the sticky transfer tape, pulled the whole thing off, and I'm reverse weeding. So instead of picking out and leaving the letters like I would here, I'm just taking it off of this instead of the liner. So it's a bit of a pain, but it does work. Let me see if I can kind of show you here. I have found that I have to go this way, even though I have to end up picking out the little spots. But in essence, one-handed is difficult. So look up there, and just slowly pull them. That way it actually works. So I've got 80 of these that I need to get done by, thought I flipped the camera. I got 80 of these that I need to have done by end of day Monday. But because I have my day job, then I need to really get them done all today. I was able to get a couple of those orders in last night. I've already got confirmation for one more business card order, so I'm gonna get that outsourced so I can get it done. But I still have, so I've got these 80 cut vinyl, I've got 500 business cards, 100 business cards, 3 HTV orders, a quote to do for some booklets. I got a bunch of crap that I gotta buy per bob. I need to get some more 16-inch transfer tape. I gotta get another roll of the HP Prime Gloss. I need to buy 100 H-stakes. I need to go out to one of my customers and measure a marquee sign, some parking signs, some building signs. So lots to do today. It's already 1:30. I'm not gonna get it all done. So I did get to spend a little time with the family this morning. We went to one of the neighbors and had some breakfast, so that was nice to go over there and spend some time with the family and some friends. So, already tired, but let's get on with the day. What are you doing today, Cam?
Well, if we're talking about today is in the day I edited it, I went to work. If we're talking about Saturday, I'm supposed to hang out with the girl. She ended up coming over Sunday, so it was still cool. But I didn't do anything Saturday. Literally nothing. I just kind of sat around and just laid on my couch. Productive Saturday.
I don't know what he said. Did he even say anything? Or is he just silently watching over us? Okay, check in a bit. All right, print fam, it's 4:30. I've been working on these same stupid stickers or cut vinyl the whole time. So in total, I need to do 80 of them. Each one of these little panels has 25. I finished the first panel and I messed up one of them. So it's taken me about 3 hours to do 25 of these tiny stickers. So that blows. I cut 4 panels total. I won't need all 4 just because 25 plus 25 is 50, plus 25, 75, and I only need 5 more after that. I did screw up one, which is why I printed a whole panel, just so I didn't have to, or cut a whole panel, just so I don't have to do that all over. So hopefully this panel goes a little bit faster, but this is definitely sucking. I'm probably gonna have to have Bob help me with one of these or some of these because they need them by end of day Monday, and I don't work on Sundays. So we'll see how it goes. I do have a couple of other jobs that I want to get done. I might at least get them cut and maybe have Bob help me with those as well. We'll see. So just checking in. Hope all's going well with you. We'll be back in a minute. Print fam. That's better. We got another batch done. I just started. I got these really tiny parts done. Like I think I said, using 2 picks to do it makes it a lot easier. So my wife and kids are gone. They went and ran some errands, went to the grocery store, a few other things. So hopefully by the time they're back, I'm done with these. This set, or the last set, took about an hour and a half, so I dropped my time in half. So hopefully this one will go a little bit faster. But I still haven't gotten all the other things done. I was gonna go measure a sign for one of my customers, but it is now rainy and windy, so I am not gonna do that tonight any longer. I do need to order those things for Bob still, so make sure you guys remind me to do that, okay? Send me a reminder. Not a lot going on today. Like, I guess I'll maybe I'll set up the time-lapse camera and you can watch me weed. Might be fun. Let's go for it. Cam, roll the footage. All right, print fam. I always forget to look first. It's 11 o'clock. I just finished those stupid stickers. Holy crap, they took forever. But they're done. I included a few extras for when I know they're gonna screw up. That way they don't have to come back to me. I'm gonna call it a night because I'm tired. I didn't get all my stuff done, but nothing else is due super critically. But I will have a bunch of heat transfers to do next week, which those are a lot easier. Although today, through my random YouTubing, I found out you can do heat transfers with a laser. So that's my next lot, because some of this fine detail stuff would be super slick on a laser. So if you want to use those Amazon affiliate links to help support the channel so we can buy a laser and tell you how cool it is, that'd be awesome. But thanks for watching. Thanks Cam for editing the videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can follow along. Like I said, the new printer is coming in next week, so that is super exciting. I did not meet my goal today, but got halfway there, so progress. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time. See ya, print fam.